Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SKU barcodes with Shopify for inventory accuracy step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the products section on the left sidebar. Select the product for which you want to configure the SKU barcode. Scroll down to the inventory section of the product page. Locate the field labeled SKU. Enter a unique SKU that identifies your product. Next, find the barcode field just below the SKU. Scan or manually enter the barcode associated with your product. Ensure the barcode corresponds to the correct SKU. Click on the Save button to apply your changes. If you have multiple variants for the product, repeat the process for each variant. To verify the accuracy, head back to the Products section. Search for the product and check that the SKU and barcode are correctly listed. To manage inventory more efficiently, consider integrating a barcode scanning app from the Shopify App Store. Follow the app setup instructions to sync your barcodes with your inventory system. Regularly review your inventory to ensure barcodes and SKUs are properly assigned. By following these steps, you can enhance inventory accuracy in your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.